Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here find and select the settings, then scroll down and simply choose here the About phone. Here let's tap a couple of times on version right here, and as you can see you are now in a developer mode. So you can go back and here you can choose additional settings. Now you can choose developer options and use the following developer features. So you can here allow OEM unlocking, you can also here enable USB debugging and use other developer stuff. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.